here we are in the heart of London's East End. What a great place to come to find out what is the best music in the world.
We have got rhythm and blues, Latin beats, punk rock,
oh no, go Jenny go,
and finally British beat.
We've got our panel of experts. And this wonderful multi-formatted, four-wheeled shopping trolley of sound is a wheelie bag. I'm Deejay Wheelie Bag, and I'll be DJing the music from our people here on the sound tables.
Swing that thing, Wheelie!
no, go Jenny go, oh,
Whichever one you want to vote for. Hold it up.
Oh, no.
Black track's the first track, white track is the second track. Did you get the track you were hoping for?
No. It's a very tough one.
I have to say, I don't think the punks put themselves forward very well. They didn't mention Dole Hughes around the block or Thatcher once.
Fantastic record. This is your music.